Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today's video, we have a lot of stuff that is going down to the ST. I did actually film a video last weekend where we changed the brake caliper, but we found a lot more stuff that needed doing, mainly the gearbox mount. The rubber in that was completely perished. Power steering pump had gone. That's why the steering is really bad. So today we are doing the power steering pump, rebleed and all of that, and the gearbox mount. But me being me, I've also bought a lot more stuff to go on it. So we have a new steering wheel. I went for the D-shaped OMP wheel, and obviously we got the OMP Boss kit, and then I treated myself to a nice little snap-off piece. So we have to change this wheel. So I've disconnected the battery like half an hour ago, so leave it another 10 minutes and then we can take this off, because we do not want the airbag blowing off in my face. But Uncle Joe to the rescue again, because he's good at all that stuff, and let's face it, I'm shitting my hands in the cold. So he's going to be doing my power steering pump whilst I'm doing the steering wheel. And then we've also got LED fog lights. Yeah, I went a bit mad on buying stuff this week. And also the radiator pipe still keeps blowing off even though we've adapted it. So I ordered the silicone hoses for that, and that's £70 just for a silicone hose. But it has to be done, so I ordered them. Hopefully they'll be here today. If not, they'll be here tomorrow, and then that can be another video, and we'll get that on, and then we should be all sorted. And then there's me jumping to the gun saying that we're already sorted. Uncle Joe has just told me that I have a inner CV gate has gone, and we have oil leaking around the oil switch or something underneath, so that's gonna have to be done as well. Unfortunately, it's too late in the day to go get those bits, but that's for another video. So yeah, I might as well start doing tutorials on how to change every part of an ST150 but yeah. So without further ado, I'm gonna get this steering wheel taken off, change all of that. Uncle Joe's gonna be doing a power steering pump, and then once we've done all of this stuff, we can get out, drive the car, test it all, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it should drive a lot better, because the power steering is the main thing that is up with this car at the minute. Hopefully the camera don't fall there, but yeah, we should have enough time off of the battery now. So there's a couple screws under here. Have I got the right, oh, I've got the right size straight away. So we'll take them out like that. So we have the top piece off. That was an absolute nightmare to get off, so I didn't want to make it too long-winded, so we cut it there. I had to get some pins in behind, and I typically had to find the smallest screwdriver I could. But that's off. Now we need to undo this nut and install a new one. There you go. Off. Woo! That is the steering wheel completely off. Let's get this new, very nice OMP Boss on there. Let's take the cover off. Right, I'll put my phone on silent. Right, we want to get this cover back on, surely. Wrong way, you idiot, wrong way. I feel sorry for Uncle Joe right now, because it's quite cold out there and he's cracking on. So, we'll make sure we have to get him a drink for his time. Right, that bit in there, like that bit. Clip over. Yes. And then the snap-on Boss. So right, so that is everything done. Power steering pump, gearbox mount, Even changed the pollen filter because every time I gave it some abuse, it just stunk in the car. So that's now done. Wheel is on. I've taken the quick release off though because I should know better than buying a second-hand quick release because it was absolutely fucked. My only thing is, I then put the wheel on and forgot to put the horn in. So it's down there for the minute. It's getting dark. It's coming up to the end of the day. I'll put it on tomorrow, so I'll just take it all back off again, put the horn in first, then put this cover on. And we cannot be bothered to do that now. But what we're gonna do is we're now gonna go for a nice little drive. Obviously I've just moved it off the drive, and I didn't realise how small this wheel actually is. It's a lot smaller than the original ST one, but we have a slight rubbing noise, and that is to the boss here, so we're gonna have to sort that out. But already the steering feels so much better now that the power steering pump is done. So without further ado, let's get out on a drive, and then I can give you my overall experience on it. Really hated the original wheel. It was so big, and where I'm quite tall, it was so close to my legs, and now that I've got a smaller wheel, I can sit myself back more. Decided to take the snap off bit off because, like I said, it was absolutely fucked, and it turned out to be like an eBay special, and I was misled that it was actually something decent when it's not. But oh well, shit happens. I have decided on a new wrap colour. That will probably be done closer to summer, when we've got some better weather. So I'm not going to reveal the colour yet, but it is going a fairly standard colour. And then obviously we will have some new graphics and stuff going on it. Obviously we'll be putting the Fueled logo and obviously more Royale Finesse stuff. And yes, I'm still going to be continuing with Royale Finesse. We do still have some of the original 11 series hoodies and t-shirts left, so if you want to go over and cop one of them, I'll leave the link in the description. And we do have a new product coming out in literally a week or two, so make sure you keep an eye out for that, because I am so excited. This is a product that I've always wanted to make. It is a relatively simple product, but it's something that is just going to stand out, and I can't wait to drop it. Let's just have a quick look on the inside. Obviously, like I said earlier, I haven't put the horn in, but it looks so good because obviously all the stitching goes with the seat. It goes with the stitching that I have on the gear gaiter, and obviously the ST logo. And there is going to be some more red bits going in here real soon, but I just really like how that looks. Right, so that is basically what we have done to the car recently. Obviously we've got the new power steering pump on, steering wheel, gearbox mount and stuff like that, and we've got a lot more stuff to do to it. I just wanted a quick, it was a little bit of a tutorial on how to put the steering wheel and stuff on and what I've done to the car. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you go check out the Fueled Media YouTube channel, where we have just dropped a video on Meet the Team. Dead excited for everything we've got planned for that. There's big things, but we don't want to talk about it too much. We're just going to let all the filming and stuff do the talking. I'm just going to give you a quick walk around of the car. She's still looking pretty similar to how she was before. Obviously I do have the original ST wheels back on because the Oz wheels that we had on were just sticking out way too much, and I'm tempted to wide arch it, but I still want to find the right kit and get there. But we are getting to start little peel ups because that's where the wheels were rubbing. But when we change the livery in a few months, that will not be an issue, and it's something that I've learned as well. Like I'm starting to nitpick at certain bits that I've done, where I come around and I see bits like this where I have little creases on the wing and stuff. So I'll make sure that next time we do it, everything is going to be perfect. But just absolutely love this car. I was tempted to get rid of it, but I just remembered why I bought this car, because it's such great fun. But as always guys, a massive thank you for watching. If you do want to support the channel, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below any video ideas you want me to see me do. Personally, I do want to start doing some more personal videos, family things, other stuff that isn't car related, but I'm just not sure what to bring to the channel yet. So if there's anything that you guys want to see me do, or want to know more about my life or whatnot, make sure you comment down below, let me know, and I'll make sure I get that content done for you. But as always guys, I hope that you're doing well, keeping safe during this pandemic, and I will see you guys in the next video.